Hey, this is Sandra McCarthy, probate estate specialist, taking the stress out of the probate process. In this video, you'll learn a bit about the New York State probate process, the main steps in this process, why probate is important, how long this process can take, and where to go for more information. Let's dive in. Probate is that legal process that validates a deceased person's will and ensures their assets are distributed according to their wishes. If they passed without leaving a will, the court steps in and the assets are distributed according to the state laws. So what are the main steps in the New York State probate process? Number one, the executor, the person that is named in the will, files the original will and all relevant documents with the probate court. In Nassau County, New York, the surrogate's court in Mineola is where these papers are filed. Secondly, the court notifies potential creditors, beneficiaries, and heirs of the probate proceedings. Thirdly, the executor gathers and assesses the deceased estate or the deceased assets, including personal assets like vehicles, real estate, bank accounts, and investments. Next, the executor uses the estate's assets to pay off any outstanding debts, taxes, and other obligations. Lastly, the remaining assets are then distributed to the beneficiaries or the heirs outlined in the will. If there is no will, these assets are distributed according to the state law. So why is probate needed? Probate is necessary to ensure that the deceased wishes are carried out as outlined in the will, or if there's no will, that the estate is handled according to the laws of the state where the person lived. So how long does the probate process take? Well, it can take as short as 6 months, or it can run into months, 18 months, or years, depending on the complexity of the estate and whether there are any disputes among the heirs. Since this can be a tedious and time-consuming process with lots of complexity, I always recommend that an expert probate attorney be hired to assist with this process. Someone like a Dawn Warren of Warren and Apollon law firm here in Nassau County would be ideal to guide you through this process. For more information about the New York State probate process, go to Nassau County, NewYorkProbate.com. That's Nassau County, NewYorkProbate.com. So there you have it, folks. A quick overview of the New York State probate process. This is Sandra McCarthy, probate estate specialist here in Nassau County, New York.